This video will guide you through the steps to create surveys and cleaning audits using the Element Survey Tool Android app. When you first run the app, you will be taken to the main page. From here, you can create a new survey or update an existing survey. A survey is used to collate audits that are created at the same time for the same site. To create a survey, press the New Survey button in the bottom right of the screen. When you create a new survey, the system will take you to the Details page. From here, you can select the site that you are completing the survey at and add any notes about the survey. If your device is only associated with one site, the app will automatically select the site for you. Otherwise, tap Select Site. This will show you a list of sites that your device is associated with. To select a site, tap on the site name. Once you have selected a site, you can click the Documents option at the top of the screen. From this section, you can create the documents associated with your survey. To create a new document, click the New eDoc button at the bottom of the screen. The pop-up box shows you all the document templates that you have access to. To create a document, tap the document name and click the Create eDoc button. The system will create the document and automatically take you to the first question. The question is always shown at the top of the pop-up box. In this case, the question is Locations. You can select the location from the list by tapping on its name. You can then tap the Next button to move to the next question. Once all of the questions in the section have been answered, the pop-up box will close. You will then see a list of all of the questions and the answers provided. At the top of the page, you can see the section names. Tapping on the section name will take you to the questions for that section. The system will automatically open the first question in the section when you tap on the section's name. Let's go through and answer all of the questions in this section. Once you have answered all of the questions, you can click the Save button in the bottom right of the page. This audit has been set up to allow you to automatically create another audit with a single tap. For now, we are going to tap No. This takes you back to the Survey Documents page, where you can see a summary of the documents you have created and the status of each document. You can amend or review a document by tapping on the document name. This will take you to the first section of your document. You can then tap on the document sections at the top to review all of the questions. You will notice that against some questions there is a flag to the right. Tapping the flag allows you to mark the question with a red, amber or green flag. You can also add notes and take a photo to store against the question. You can tap the Save button or the back arrow in the top right to go back to the Survey Documents page. If you have created a document in error, you can delete the document by going back into the document and pressing the Delete button in the bottom left of the page. The program will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the document. Once you have deleted a document, it is not possible to recover it. To create another cleaning audit, click the New eDoc button and select the document template from the list, and then click the Create eDoc button. You can follow the same steps as before to complete the document. You will notice that some answers are highlighted in red, amber or green. Selecting one of these answers will automatically set a corresponding flag against the question. If you select a red answer, the system will automatically prompt you to enter notes so that you can detail why the question has been red flagged. You can also see a camera icon next to the answers that are highlighted in red, amber or green. Tapping this allows you to take a photo and store it against the question. You can tap the Save button or the back arrow in the top right of the page to go back to the Survey Documents page. Once you have created all the documents for the survey, you will need to complete and sign the survey. It should be noted that you can only complete a survey once all of the documents associated have been completed. From the survey documents page, tap the sign off button at the top of the screen, then tap the complete button. You can then sign the survey, add any further notes if required, and finally, click the complete button in the bottom of the screen. Any completed surveys now appear on the completed section on the main page. However, don't forget it's not until you click the Sync Now button that the surveys and the associated documents are sent back to the office. This completes the guide to creating surveys and cleaning audits using the Element Survey Tool Android app.